Yeah, they're getting on my nerves. I think I'm gonna hand in my resignation today. That, I'd rather be the bodyguard for the president and get shot at than work here one more day. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm about to get in this elevator, okay? All right, bye.
Hey, hold that elevator.
Oh, jeez.
Close. Made it. Nice weather we're having.
Yeah, but hurricane season is coming around the corner, I heard.
You're the one that filed that complaint last week.
I have to admit it, yes, I'm the one. Yes.
There were some serious accusations in that report.
Well, in all honesty, that's how I feel.
I value your opinion, Scott. Why don't we get together later and meet with my executive team?
What? Hey, yes, call me.